The last thing America needs is a civil war. If a civil war were to break out in America, we would have so many different militia groups, so many different armies, so many different people killing each other just because we can't see eye to eye. Like, we cannot see eye to eye even on TikTok. So imagine weapons and guns being added into the equation. Yeah. If a lot of people want a civil war, and I don't know why people want a civil war, but no one is surviving in a civil war. If a civil war were to break out, that is like us giving the top 1%, the top 10% what they want. We're giving them the future that they wanted.